Penny stocks are a great way for investors to build a portfolio without spending much money. If you're strategic, these stocks could lead to solid returns. One of the most popular platforms for buying penny stocks is Robinhood. Today, we will tell you about penny stocks to buy now on Robinhood. Number 9. Genesis Healthcare Inc., New York Stock Exchange, GEN. Genesis is a provider of many different types of inpatient healthcare services. These include short-term, post-acute, rehabilitation, skilled nursing, and long-term care service facilities. The company has a portfolio of operations across more than 500 nursing facilities and assisted senior living facilities across 34 states. Genesis also supplies rehabilitation therapy to over 1,700 healthcare providers in 46 states and districts. As American baby boomers are reaching retirement, there is increased demand for inpatient healthcare services. Genesis has a market cap of $123.65 million, and their shares are currently trading at 74 cents each. This is a great opportunity for investors on a budget who would like to invest in the potentially lucrative senior care industry. Number 8. Organigram Holdings, NASDAQ, OGI. Organigram Holdings is a Canadian marijuana company. They make cannabis products for both recreational and medical use. Marijuana stocks have been in the spotlight this past year as countries and states around the world either loosened restrictions or legalized it completely. The company has 4 different marijuana brands, but they only have one growing facility in the town of Moncton, New Brunswick. This helps them keep expenses down and manage their supply chain efficiently. Organigram has invested in a 3-tiered growing system to maximize the space they have. They are also interested in developing chocolate edibles and cannabis-infused beverages in the future, which would help them diversify their portfolio significantly. The stock share price popped at the beginning of February, but has since dipped back down slightly. This could be the result of their earnings report, which indicated a drop in total revenue over the past year. However, Organigram is a relatively small cannabis company with plenty of room to grow. Their recreational segment is growing steadily, and now could be a great time to invest as this company grows. Number 7. Advaxis, NASDAQ, ADXS. Advaxis is an American immunotherapy company. The company devotes its resources to the discovery, development, and commercialization in immunotherapy technology. Their technology uses engineered Listeria monocytogenes. This means that they're developing immune responses to target and eliminate cancer cells. Advaxis is working on a range of products to treat various different types of cancer. They're also venturing into veterinary medicine. Advaxis currently trades at $1.01 per share. They have a market capitalization of $113.01 million. Advaxis has over 70 pending and issued patents. This significant amount of intellectual property makes them one of the most unique Robinhood penny stocks on our list. Cancer research and development will not be slowing down anytime soon, and there's potential for this company to grow if their technologies prove successful. Number 6. Reed's Inc., NASDAQ, Reed. Reed's is a company that makes a line of ginger-based tonics. In 2012, the company also began a Culture Lab label of symbiotic microorganism-based drinks. Reed's also notably opposed the use of GMOs and does not use them in their products. This has made their products very popular with eco-friendly consumers. Reed's has been recognized by environmental and health-conscious brands like Whole Foods. Reed's has a current market capitalization comes in at $76.65 million. Share prices have started trending slightly upward as they are currently trading at $1.18 per share. Experts are predicting steady growth for the next 12 months for investors who are willing to take the risk on a penny stock. This company is a great way to diversify your portfolio. Number 5. Citius Pharmaceuticals Inc. Citius could be another one of the Robinhood penny stocks to watch this week. While the closing session was relatively quiet, CTXR stock popped late during the aftermarket session. No news or filings came out associated with the move. However, CTXR has clearly enjoyed strong bullish momentum over the past few months. Since the start of 2021, Citius stock has climbed from $1 to highs of $2.90. Last week saw a pullback in the penny stock that may have been credited to the overall drop in the market in general. Needless to say, there are several things to make mention of, which could be points of focus heading into the new month, the foremost of which are its clinical programs. Number 4. Ferroglobe, PLC, NASDAQ, GSM. Ferroglobe PLC is a British manufacturing company that makes metal alloys. While they have many different types of metal alloys in their product portfolio, one of the most exciting is their solar-grade silicone. This stock popped towards the end of February with a gain of over 7% in one day. This is definitely a company to watch as the world becomes more environmentally friendly. Number 4. Sundial Growers Inc., NASDAQ, SNDL. Sundial is a Canadian company that makes cannabis products for recreational consumption. A large number of U.S. states have legalized marijuana, as have many countries around the world. It seems a question of when, not if, the U.S. will legalize marijuana on a national level. This company has seen plenty of attention since cannabis was legalized in Canada. Since the U.S. election in November 2020, Sundial shares have grown by 273%. They have the largest market capitalization of any stock on the list, coming in at $650.8 million. Their shares now trade at $1.45 each. This stock is a great deal for any investors who want to get involved in this burgeoning marijuana industry without spending too much money. Number 3. Onconova Therapeutics Inc., NASDAQ, ONTX. Onconova is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that develops and discovers products for patients with cancer. Their proprietary technology disrupts cancer cell proliferation. Onconova currently has 3 separate Phase 1 trials underway across the U.S. and China. Onconova's focus on cancer treatment makes this one of the Robinhood penny stocks that could be critical in the years to come. Number 2. Timber Pharmaceuticals Inc. One of the biotech companies gaining attention is Timber Pharmaceuticals. Its focus is on producing treatments for a wide range of dermatological diseases. These include facial angiofibromas, tuberous sclerosis complex, and more. While this may seem very specific, Timber Pharmaceuticals has carved out a solid niche for itself in this industry. On January 26, shares of TMBR stock shot up by a solid 31%, ending the day at $1.47 per share. In the past month, shares are up by over 90%, which is quite substantial. Number 1. Tellurian Inc. Tellurian Inc. recently reported its quarterly earnings. In the report, Tellurian produced roughly 16.9 billion cubic feet of natural gas for the year as a whole. This represents 3 million more than the previous year. Additionally, the company ended 2020 with more than $78 million in cash on hand. This demonstrates that Tellurian could be in a solid financial position moving forward. While it did report a sizable net loss of over $210 million, President and CEO Octavio Simoes appeared optimistic about the future of the company. Tellurian is in a strong financial position with substantial liquidity after taking on expense reduction activities and significant debt reduction measures in 2020 and subsequent prepayments in 2021. Operationally, our Haynesville shale well have outperformed to unlock value, providing domestic natural gas supply and a valuable contribution to our integrated driftwood model, which will offer low-cost liquefied natural gas to the world. During the quarter, Tellurian also managed to reduce its debt by more than $57 million. Simoes also stated that Tellurian is delivering on our debt reduction plan and strengthening our balance sheet with comfortable liquidity for operations and a market capitalization value of over $1 billion. We are producing natural gas from our Haynesville position as we watch the global natural gas market restructure. This company has a market capitalization of $147.17 million. This makes them slightly larger than Advaxis. Right now, their shares are trading for $1.54 each. Their shares have gone up significantly over the past month as they used a stock offering to raise money for cancer-related research and development. Do let us know among them in which you would like to invest. Please subscribe to The Stock Advisor. Thanks for watching.